Hey there. Want to give a family member or trusted person the ability to spend on your account? Adding an authorized user on your Amex card is simple and can even help them build credit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Log into your Amex account online or via the app. Navigate to Account Services, then find Manage Card Users or Add Someone to your account. You'll need the person's full name, date of birth, and social security number for credit reporting purposes. You can set a spending limit for them right during setup. Once submitted, Amex will mail a card in their name to your address. My crucial pro tip? Understand the benefits and responsibilities. As the primary card member, you are 100% responsible for all charges they make. However, many Amex cards extend perks like airport lounge access or purchase protections to authorized users, sometimes for an extra fee. It's a powerful tool for managing family expenses or helping someone establish credit. Have you added an authorized user before? What was your reason? Tell me below. For more guides on managing your cards wisely, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.